Welcome to our final investigation of the pronunciation of the chakras that we may use in yoga. So in this final one, we're going to look at the three chakras that are remaining. And the first one we're going to look at is the heart center. So this is one that's often pronounced with the emphasis in a different place in English. So when we see this sound, we often pronounce it as anāhata, and I know that's how I was taught to pronounce it when I first came across the chakra system. But actually the emphasis is on this second A here. This is a long sound, so the other three sounds are short. So anāhata, anāhata, anāhata. So this sound is kind of where we would place the emphasis on it. And then we have the throat center. So this is a palatal sh sound, so the tongue slightly flattens towards the front palate. And then we have a D sound followed by a second aspirated D sound. So in effect, they kind of blend in to each other. But lots of short sounds again here, so no long vowels. Viśuddhi, viśuddhi, viśuddhi. And you really want this aspirated sound here. Again, nothing really too different from what we might pronounce this in English. And the final one is the crown center. And again, the emphasis often gets put in the wrong place here. So, that's an A. Sahasrāra. So it's not sahasrāra, sahasrāra, sahasrāra. So no difficult consonants or vowels there, it's just where the emphasis is, which is on that last but one A sound. Sahasrāra, sahasrāra. Okay, and there is an element to understand that when we call these chakras into being, when we want to awaken and enliven these centers, if we're not quite pronouncing them properly, then we're not addressing them properly. So there's an energetic quality to it that is important to have these sounds ringing correctly. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to get updates of any new video uploads. You can also join the mailing list in the comment section below to get details of upcoming training days and courses for yoga teachers. See you soon.